You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. To learn more confusing names, including from Spanish, and how to pronounce them correctly, make sure to stay tuned. So we're going to be looking at how to pronounce it in Spanish and in English. This is a fairly common surname in English in Spanish-speaking countries. Fuentes. It means fountains. That's the plural of the word fuente, which means fountain. Fuentes is how it's said in Spanish. English pronunciation, similarly, fuentes. Fuentes from Spanish, fuentes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.